Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to recalibrate touch controls on your HONOR Earbuds X6. So, there is in the application no dedicated recalibration features, and you cannot recalibrate it in the application, but we can do something to improve your touch control. The first one, you need to know that you press the touch controls. So maybe you missed this touch areas. Touch areas located at the back side, right here at the top. We have it, and you need to exactly press on it, or double press or triple press. Next, you need to make sure that your gestures configure correctly. To do this, you need to open HONOR AI Space application, and of course your earbuds should be connected with your application. Now open it, and right here we have shortcuts. You tap on it, and maybe your gesture feature set to none, and that is your problem, so you just tap and you can set some features here. Now, if it also didn't help you, we can restart touch settings, so we need to perform a factory reset to do this. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case. You need to press and hold both of the touch areas until this LED light starts flashing red. So, firstly it starts blinking white because it entered to prank mode. You just keep holding it. Here we go, and we have this red LED light. So you can release your finger, and then we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. To do this, open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. So you just tap on it at the device list, and then you can check your gestures. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.